Good evening everyone. Today we will discuss about lossless or non-additive joint property. When a relation R is decomposed into some relations, then the decomposition should have this lossless or non-additive joint property. And how will we check it? What does that mean? Today we will discuss all those things. Let's start with an example. Say we have a relation employee department. It have combined information about employee and department. And as we know, we have to decompose it further. So when we decompose it, I decomposed it into two relations, employee and department, and you will see that here the common column is DNO. We have to take some common column so that we can put them back together. So the common column is DNO, and DNO is the primary key in the department. So when I put them back, when I perform the natural join on these two relations, I will get exactly the same information. There will be no extra tuple after joining them back. This is called as non-additive or lossless join property. Means when we decompose the relation and when we natural join them back, there should not be any spurious tuple, any fake tuple. And that is possible only if the common column is primary key in one of the relation. So of course it would be the foreign key in the another relation. So the common column should have the combination of primary key and foreign key. Let's take another example. Instead of D and no, if I would have put the common column D name, which is not the primary key in any of the relation. So if I put the common column D name and then I join them back, I perform the natural join on them, then I will get these tuples. Here you will see that this tuple is wrong and this tuple is wrong. I am getting two fake tuples here. So that is the meaning of basically lossless, means loss of information, because I am getting some wrong tuples here. Now I don't know whether this one is true or this one is true. Which one is true? So I am losing the information. That is called as lossless. Non-additive means it should not add any extra tuple in that. Like here it's adding two extra tuples in that. So lossless means it should not lose any information and it should not add any extra tuple when I join them back. So this is the meaning of lossless and non-additive joint property. And we have some shortcut to find out if decomposition is given that it is lossless, it satisfies the lossless joint property or not. First of all, you have to check that there should be common column, common attribute between the relations. And if the common attribute is there, you need to check that it should be the primary key in one of the relation. Because if it is the primary key in one of the relation, of course, it would be the foreign key in another relation. So if it satisfies these two properties, then we will say that the decomposition is lossless or non-additive. Let's go for some examples. Here we'll check for the lossless joint property. First example, we have one relation R which has four attributes A, B, C, D. And functional dependencies are given. A uniquely determines B and C uniquely determines D. And decomposition is R1 which has two attributes A and B, and R2 which has two attributes C and D. So now I have to tell that whether this decomposition satisfies the lossless joint property or not. So first condition was that there should be common attribute between the decomposed relation. But here we will see that there is no common column. It contains AB, it contains CD. So because there is no common column, so of course it does not satisfy the lossless joint property. So of course it is not satisfies the lossless joint property. Let's go for the second example. Here the relation R contains three attributes A, B and C, and R1 has two attributes A and B, and R2 has A and C. Now question is it always lossless? So basically here if we will see, common attribute is there. A is there, A is in R1 also and A is in R2 also. But here it did not mention that A is the primary key in any of the relation or not, because no functional dependency is given, nothing is mentioned here. So we cannot take the guarantee that this decomposition is lossless, because we don't know about A, whether it's primary key or not. So of course this is also false. Let's go for the third example. The decomposition of R, it contains 5 attributes A, B, C, D, E, and functional dependencies are given to us. And now decomposition is R1 which contains 3 attributes A, B, D, and R2 which contains 3 attributes A, C, D, E. If you will see here, there are two common attributes, AD is here and AD is here also, means AD is common. So if we can prove that AD is the primary key of one of the relation, then we can say that it satisfies the lossless join property. So by taking the closure of AD, I will check whether AD is the primary key of R1 or R2, any of the relation. So it will give me AD. From the functional dependency, I know AD is there, so I can include the B. So basically AD uniquely identifies all the attributes of R1. So AD is the primary key of R1. As AD is the primary key of R1, so it is the foreign key of R2. So the common attributes AD is the combination of primary key and foreign key. So we can say that it satisfies the lossless join property. So this is true. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.